Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to fix cannot search on TikTok. If you are unable to search anything on TikTok, how you will resolve this problem, I will show you. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know how to fix cannot search on TikTok. Click on the TikTok app. You can see here option of searching. You can search anything. If you are unable to search anything, then how you can resolve this problem? First of all, you have to see is your phone mobile data or Wi-Fi is working or not. Secondly, you have to see that your TikTok version that you are using is updated or not. If you are having not this problem, then you have to click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner, click on settings and privacy, and you will see here option of free up space. Clear all the cache here, then you will resolve this problem searching on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.